Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the previous class, we learnt about the first short vowel sound. We have three short vowel sounds. One is zabar, second is zair, and the third one is pesh. Zabar is a stroke, a slanting line that is placed above a letter. Now today we are learning zair. Okay, zair is the same sign as the zabar, but the difference is that zabar is placed above the letter, but zair is placed below the letter. Okay, so this is a zair. When you pronounce zair, our sound goes down. When you say alif zair e, it is e. Okay, once again I am repeating that the short vowel sound should not be pronounced with a jerk. You should avoid jerking, and we should not drag the letters. Instead, we should pronounce them smoothly and fast. Okay, so alif zair e, ba zair bi, ta zair ti, sa zair si, jim zair ji, ha zair hi, kha zair khi, dal zair di, zal zair zi, ra zair ri, za zair zi, sin zair si, shin zair shi, sod zair si. The heavy letters should sound a little heavy in zair also. Okay, so be careful while saying sin zair si and sod zair si. Si. It should not be swi. There should not be wow sound. Okay, it is si, a little bit round shape. Si. Dod zair di, ta zair ti, za zair zi, ain zair I, ghain zair ghi, fa zair fi, qaf zair qi, kaf zair ki, lam zair li, mim zair mi, noon zair ni, waw zair wi, ha zair hi, hamzah zair I, ya zair yi. Then look at the exercise of zair. In the exercise of zair, we have zabar also. Okay, zabar along with the zair. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ghain zabar gha, dad zair di, ghadi, ba zabar ba, ghadiba. You should not drag the letters. It is not ghadiba, ghadiba. Okay, the letters should be pronounced smoothly and fast. Fa zabar fa, ha zair hi, fahi, ya zabar ya, fahiya. Lam zabar la, ain zair I, la'i, ba zabar ba, la'iba. Kha zabar kha, shin zair shi, khashi, ya zabar ya, khashiya. Ha zabar ha, ba zair bi, habi, ta zabar ta, habita. Again I am reading from the first word, ghadiba, fahiya, la'iba, khashiya, habita, amila, hasiba, alima, ahida, hamida, sakhira, adhina, shariba, irama, ya'isa, yalija, sa'iqa. Sod and qaf both should be pronounced heavily, and there is a ain in the middle. So this is the toughest letter. So you have to be very careful while pronouncing this word. Sa'iqa, khasira, labitha, falaqi, radiya, shahida, bariqa, qamari, kariha, nasiya. Then you have, I am doing the hijjah of this because this is a 4-letter word. Ba zabar ba, lam zabar la, bala, ghain zabar gha, balagha, ta zair ti, balaghati, balaghati, waladi, fafazi'a, fafazi'a, rahima. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.